The fourth rant is about Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. The new battery has been leaked out to be around 590 milliamperes. That is much higher than Apple Series Watch 7 for around 300, and even higher than the TicWatch Pro 3 Ultra GPS, which is supposed to be around 550. So the battery life is expected to be around 80 hours standby, so it should last for at least 3 days. That's a good thing. And the spec sheet has also been leaked out. The Galaxy Watch 5 models will come in 40-45 millimeter model, 40-44 millimeter model for the Galaxy Watch 5, and Galaxy Watch 5 Pro will be 45 millimeter. The Pro is supposed to be targeted at outdoorsy customers. The 40 millimeter Galaxy Watch 5 will have a 1.19 AMOLED display with a resolution of 396 x 396, while a larger model will be 1.36 inch display with 450 to 450 resolution. It seems like all the models will have Sapphire glass to make them more durable and scratch resistant. The Pro model will have a titanium body for durability. Regular body should either have the aluminum case or the stainless steel. The 40nm Watch 5 variant will have a 284 mAh battery. The 44mm will be around 410. Both these models are said to have around 50 hours battery life standby. So in the previous edition, that is the Classic 4, had a 361 mAh version, and the Samsung watches are supposed to come with 10 watt charging, double from the previous 5 watt charging. So the empty to 45% will take 35 minutes. They will be charged with the powered by the same in-house external W920 chip of last year, with mated to around 16 GB internal memory. The LTE models will also have eSIM support. It should have NFC and GPS as well. It's most likely, there has to be a thermometer sensor that should measure your temperature. That will tell you have any disease. It has heart rate, blood oxygen saturation, and ECG sensors. The Pro will not have any rotating bezel, which is very sad. And the prices are like $306 for the Galaxy Watch 5. 44mm will be around $337. The Bluetooth Galaxy Watch 5 Pro will be $469. And the LTE model is supposed to be around $50 more. Let's see, wait till August 10th to see what Samsung is going to launch. So like, share and subscribe for more such videos. Thank you.